Welcome to our channel. Here's how you can fix errors in your IRS tax transcript step by step. Without stress or confusion, welcome to our channel. Understanding your IRS tax transcript and correcting errors can seem daunting. But with the right steps, you can resolve mistakes efficiently. First, verify the accuracy of the transcript. By comparing it with your filed tax return, pay close attention to income figures, deductions, and credits listed on the transcript. Step 2. Gather any supporting documents such as W-2s, 1099s, receipts, or previous correspondence with the IRS. These documents will serve as evidence to support your claim for corrections. Next, contact the IRS either by phone or through the IRS online portal to report the discrepancies. Be sure you have your tax identification details handy and explain clearly the exact errors you found. Step 4. If instructed, prepare and submit Form 1040X, the amended tax return, to correct your original filing. Include all necessary attachments and documentation showing the changes needed. After submission, monitor your correspondence closely for any further requests or confirmation from the IRS regarding your corrections. Keep detailed records of all communications to avoid confusion later. If the IRS accepts your corrections, your transcript will be updated, and any necessary tax adjustments will be reflected. It's important to act swiftly and stay organized to ensure a smooth correction process. Remember, patience and persistence are key when working with tax authorities. Thank you for watching, and following these steps carefully will simplify the process of fixing your IRS tax transcript errors. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to stay updated with more helpful tips and guides.